Namaste to all of you. Myself, Vaidya Vilashanand. Today I would like to share with you some Ayurvedic insight on sneezing. We all have experience of sneezing and we know the effect of sneezing also. There are many people who suffer from sneezing regularly. You may not believe that some people sneeze many hundred times in a day. Even from few sneezing, we know that it can make us feel terrible and weak. Sneezing is an autonomous response of our body to expel some foreign particle or any foreign body. In Ayurveda, sneezing is supported and regulated by the Vata. Vata is trying to help us to expel foreign particle from our body. The impulse of the Vata generate sneezing. It is very interesting to hear that the speed of the sneezing can be up to 100 miles per hour, and also to know that every sneezing can expel 100,000 germs and 400,000 droplets from our system. From this, we can imagine how much the Vata is strong in our body. Basically, there are two kinds of sneezing. One is healthy sneezing and one is unhealthy sneezing. Healthy sneezing is a healthy response of our body when we get exposed into any foreign particle in the form of smoke or dust or pollen, etc. Body try to expel it from the response of sneezing. What happens when we sneeze? Sneezing actually dilates our body channels, especially our respiratory channels, and expels this foreign particle from our system. And the second classification is the unhealthy sneezing. Why it is unhealthy? Because many times this sneezing is associated with any kind of pathological reason. When we have toxins in the body or when we have inflammations in the body, etc., body try to expel it. Allergic sneezing is one example for that. Something which is unsuitable in the body or something which is indigested in the body try to expel. And regularly, if we keep this toxin inside our system, regularly we will have the symptom of sneezing also. Sneezing is just a symptom, it is not a disease. See, sneezing is a symptom which indicates there is something wrong in our system. So unhealthy sneezing can be associated with many different diseases, and I can explain you two reasons for unhealthy sneezing. One is the formation of ama or inflammation in our body, and second is from the lack of nutrients or lack of nutrition in the system. So when body is accumulating ama because of many different reasons, body itself will initiate an effort of detoxing. So sneezing is a form of natural detoxing of the body. In Ayurveda, the ama can be formed due to many different reasons, and one is from the violation of rules of eating. So when we eat unsuitable food, or when we eat food which is heavy to digest, or when we eat food not according to our acne or not according to our nature, this creates challenge to our fire, and fire will have difficulty or acne will have difficulty to process it and make it into a suitable body tissue. In such conditions, ama will be generated. There will be traces of indigestion which happens due to the weakness of our fire, and these traces of indigestion will turn out into inflammations. And when we have inflammation, body again will try to expel it or detox, and sneezing can form from that. Many of us know when we eat wrong food, when we eat late food, we end up in having sneezing. There will be some kind of reaction of the body to expel the toxins, and most common of that is sneezing. The second reason for ama formation is violation of the lifestyle. For example, how to take shower, when to take shower. Many people take shower after having their food, or they will take shower after having intensive physical activity. This all create different temperature variation in the body and create physiological lag. And regularly when we have physiological lag in our system, again Agni is suppressed and the metabolism is suppressed, then we have the chance of having inflammation. And this inflammation will have to be expelled in our body, and body end up in resulting in sneezing. So unhealthy sneezing can be of few different reasons, but mainly having wrong eating habits and wrong living habits. Also, another reason of unhealthy sneezing is lack of nutrients in our body. Often I see in my clinical practice when people come for treatment which is more related to depletion or weakness or degeneration, they often have the associated symptom of sneezing. Sneezing is an indicator of health. So a person who is depleted or weakness in nutrition or weakness in their blood quality, they will always have sneezing. So lack of nutrients means lack of vitality, and lack of vitality means lack of urges. So a person who is having depreciated urges, she or he will definitely have the sign and symptom of sneezing. So as I told earlier, we need to take sneezing as an indicator of our health. Often we sneeze, which indicates that there is some kind of toxin or inflammation in our system. And if we don't sneeze, that also indicates that we have good immunity. Immunity and sneezing can be directly proportional. Ayurveda is also having different solutions for removing the sneezing, because we know suppressing sneezing can create lot of different imbalances. Suppressing sneezing for a long term can make catastrophe in our system. As per the modern science, sneezing is initiated by the secretion of histamines, and unnatural solutions always suppress these secretions. Unnatural solutions not only suppress this secretion, but also again and again accumulate the toxins and inflammation in the body. When these toxins and inflammations are accumulated throughout in our system, that will be converted into another kind of dysfunctioning and create different catastrophe in our system. So always follow natural solutions for any kind of imbalances, and also for sneezing. For general sneezing, we have many different solutions in Ayurveda. As all of you know, that many home remedies, many spices which you can use for removing the sneezing. For example, ginger tea, pepper tea, and pepper and curcuma combination, long pepper with curcuma combination, cardamom tea, having hot water or different kinds of herbal teas. This all helps us to keep away from sneezing by improving the strength of our Agni. But if you have regular sneezing, or if your sneezing is chronic, it is important that you consult an Ayurvedic practitioner, because identifying the reason of your sneezing is very, very important. As I told you earlier, sneezing can be from any kind of pathological imbalance in the system. So don't take it easy and keep on sneezing throughout your life, but identify what is the reason and take proper precaution to get rid of that. An Ayurvedic practitioner can help you to find out the proper reason of sneezing and suggest you natural and effective methods which will not only improve the health but also rejuvenate you. Thank you very much for watching my video, and consider all these points before you sneeze next time. And to receive this kind of videos from me, please like, subscribe and push the bell button. Thank you.